You guys, lunch was so long ago. This sucks.
Keep it down, Rob.
But I'm hungry. You trying to get us killed?
Yeah, you trying to get killed?
No excuses.
No.
Snap into bold flavored protein. Snap into a Slim Jim.
Have a seat. I've been stuck in meetings all day and I'm starving.
Oh, snap!
Want one?
Sure.
Ooh-wee, that's some tasty meat. No. I will not be quiet. You've been shoving garbage up here for years like I'm some kind of landfill. Not anymore. I needs the meat.
Show your mouth some respect. Made with 100% grass-fed beef or premium pork. Snap into new Slim Jim premium smoke sticks.
Oh, this is taking forever. I'm so hungry I could die.
Whoa, Pete. Maybe choose better words.
At least he had time to eat.
Unbelievable.
No excuses.
Not cool, Pete.
Snap into bold flavored protein. Snap into a Slim Jim.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
You should have come prepared, Sir Glenn.
You saw how long my to-do scroll was?
Didn't stop the rest of us.
No excuses. Snap into bold flavored protein. Snap into a Slim Jim.
Is truth. There is no lying. Class, please welcome Randy. Forget expression. Forget yourself. We're just capturing what's in front of us. Let's begin, shall we? We're capturing the essence of who he is. The length of his meat stick. You have to find a way of convincing me that his meat stick isn't like this, it's like that.
Okay.
Go for it. This isn't what we're seeing. But he just moved a little. No. Don't blame the model. Everyone, this is extraordinary. The use of shadow makes it jump off the page. You see?
Snap into a Slim Jim!
So how's that medical thing going?
Well, the doctor said...
Sorry, what?
I said the doctor told me.
Excusez-moi?
The doctor said... No more public pools for me!
Snap into a Slim Jim!
2 p.m., Lincoln Park.
Got it.
Rose for life?
Of course. Thanks for the favor.
This is so romantic. Oh, really?
Dang it, Carl.
Snap into a Slim Jim!
Oh, it's so nice of you and your friends to visit me, Alex. Slim Jim?
Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, Alex, I made you a little something.
Wow, it's beautiful. But I think it's way too big. That's what she said.
I doubt she's ever said that to you.
Snap into a Slim Jim!
And down the hall here, we have another bedroom. Or maybe someday, a nursery.
This house says to me we're ready to have kids, and who cares if it's over budget?
Fun fact, this is where they found the body.
Body? What body?
He said bodies, hon. Yes, bodies, plural. Show us the attic. It's upstairs.
Snap into a Slim Jim!
Welcome to the premium life.
Grass-fed beef.
New Slim Jim Premium Smoked Sticks.
Premium pork.
New Slim Jim Premium Smoked Sticks.
Premium. 10 grams of protein.
At least.
Are you ready?
New Slim Jim Premium Smoked Sticks.